Turning on or off auto scan apps daily on a Galaxy S24 helps maintain your device's security by automatically checking for potential threats in your installed applications. Here's how it's done. First, tap the home key to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top and tap on the settings icon. Scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Next, scroll down and tap on app security. Then tap on app protection. At the top of this screen, tap on the More button. From the pop-up menu, tap on App Protection Settings. Tap on the toggle switch next to Auto Scan Apps Daily to switch this feature on or off. Note that daily scans only run when your phone is charging and the screen is off. Some low-risk apps may not be scanned every day. You may also need to enable auto scan when installing apps to boost security. Finally, tap the home key to return to the home screen. That's how you turn on or off auto scan apps daily on your Galaxy S24, helping to maintain your device's security. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.